Hello friends. In this video, we will see how to approach the Hindi compulsory language paper in UPSC Civil Services Examination mains. And if you happen to see, Hindi happened to be a part of me for a very long time because I studied in Kendriya Vidyalaya, which was inside the Air Force Station, which is in Chennai. But as a result of which, what happened was from a young age, I still remember from a young age how the Hindi dictations would be given and many other things. But the problem was that my parents did not know Hindi, so they were not aware of Hindi. But other subjects, for example, others or any other subject also, so they were not that well versed. So they used to send me to tuitions. For other subjects, I could go because anyone could teach me science or social science. They could teach me, but for Hindi it was very difficult to find people, even dictation, so words I used to have very difficult time writing them. I still remember my class teacher, first standard class teacher, she coming near me and teaching me those words. It was a very good time, but the point was that for that I did not have anyone to ask. As I told you, many from the in Air Force Station, many from North India or Hindi speaking region would be there for working here. So they would be residing beside. So I remember going to tuitions every day because at that time no Google, YouTube like this, nothing was there. So I had to go to tuitions. I have to go to, I mean, how to write things like that. But from then, that is what, from then till the last mains, this Hindi language has been there with me. But even then, that is what, even then, but even then, after all these years, थोड़ा दिक्कत होता है ना. आई मीन आई एम नॉट दैट फ्लुएंट. सो मुझे तो बात करना आता है, मगर इतना बात नहीं करना आता है कि इट विल बी अ फ्लुएंट वीडियो लाइक विच आई मेक इन मे बी तमिल और मे बी इन इंग्लिश. It is very difficult. So but when I go to interview, they will come for taking those forms, so and it'll be nice. So maybe I've so अब वहाँ जाके मैं थोड़ा तो हिंदी में बात कर सकता हूँ. तो उनके साथ मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ. So they used to like me, they used to like me. So it used to be a very fun thing in interview. So that is, I'm telling you, inside the interview building, before going into the interview hall, you have to submit all your documents, right? In that time, they will be, many will be talking in Hindi only. If you ask, they will talk in English, but it will be fun, right? So I'll be because many of the time it happened, and it's a nice thing. So but that is what, so that is the usefulness of a language. It is for integration of different regions. You have to converse. And even Bhagat Singh, he says in one of the articles, so when a Punjabi and a Tamilian, that is what he quotes, Punjabi and a Tamilian, if they had to sit together and they have to talk, there has to be a linked language. So that is what has happened. That is what we have read. But now examination, that is the point, that examination. In civil services examination, we have to write one paper. Now we have to think about how to strategize that. वो पास कैसे करेंगे, उसे सोचना चाहिए. Many are scared, do not be scared. So we'll approach how to do that. And if you have any other questions also, please do comment. So you can put in your comments. This was one such question. Somebody asked me how to prepare that. So I'm preparing a video of a strategy of that, how to prepare Hindi paper. So you can put your comments and the questions can be put so that I can make video. So let us go into the video. To approach the compulsory Hindi paper in UPSC Civil Services examination is what we will see in this video. My name is Sivaraj Rajendran, and with that information, we'll go into the video. So, for example, the basics of this examination is that it is a 300 marks examination. It is not 250, and it is for a 3-hour period. And the cutoff mark is based on UPSC's cutoff each year. It may vary, but our aim should be, for example, how much we should aim is above 90 marks. Out of 300, above 90 marks should be our aim. And I would tell you in the sense that how to approach this paper inside the hall, or what are the types of questions that can be approached and the time that can be allotted. So for example, when I go inside the hall, this first question which I usually take is this: Translation. So this is Angrezi mein anuvad kijiye. That is the point. That is you have to translate this in English. So this is the first question that I would attempt. And if you see, this is a 20-mark question. So 20-mark question, this I will attempt. And the time usually I take is half an hour or less than half an hour. So mostly 30 minutes, maximum 30 minutes I will allot for this maximum. Why I usually choose this question is that that is what in Hindi paper we are usually, or people who are having regional language or mother tongue as something different from Hindi means, and we would have studied this in school. And I usually was inside the hall, I usually was scared of this regional language paper. So what I usually do is that, okay, so first I will make myself in the sense that a little calmer. So inside the hall when I go, I will make myself a little calm and use this passage to translate, because in English, Hindi or basic we can do. You can have a very brief understanding of what this passage means and you can translate. So this happens to be 20 marks, right? So this should be the first, or this can be the first for half an hour. Next I will go to this next translation. So it will be a translation from Hindi to English and English to Hindi as well. So this will be the next thing I will take, and this will also be 20 marks. So earlier 20, this is 20. And what I usually do is that is the point. These two things, these translation, I'll probably take, that is the point, probably take 1 hour or more, or not 1 hour, that is less than 1 hour. So I would, in a sense, what I would do is that I would slowly make these translations, what and all, because see, that is the point. Why I chose this is what this is the first is that I will use some of the words, for example, some of the words which are given here. So kisi bhi, and you should understand that that is what, how much ever we study, or I studied, for example, for a very long time, I used to have a lot of confusions inside the hall. That is what, every day, for example, mother tongue would be different. We would be reading some other paper, right? The regional language would be different. But inside the hall, when we go, we have to make or Hindi, we have to write it. So there will be confusions. For example, I will have confusions like this: key, which key we have to, this or this, U and B. So कैसे कैसे ये सब टैकल करना है, और लेकिन, और in the sense that लेकिन ये सब में mean inside the hall it will have a lot of confusions, the pressure will be there. So what I usually do is that if I have to make, that is what, so I'll solve this, I'll solve the English version, and then I'll start writing this, and I'll use the words given in the paper. So I'll see key here, so I'll get accustomed. So in 1 hour I will get accustomed to the paper. That is what usually is from I think last when I wrote this was in 12th standard. I think 12th standard Hindi paper I wrote for my board exams. Then after that you will not have you might have read Hindi, but you would not have written it, right? Writing is different. So writing this and all should be very cautious. So you have to know where this the difference in key comes, B comes. So that is why I will ask you to write this first. Then you go to this, and within 1 hour you would, for example, covered 40 marks. Let us wait. Now we'll wait. The next things will come. So 1 hour will gone. Next we'll go to this. For example, this is the point. इस गद्यांश को ध्यान पूर्वक पढ़िए, और इसमें in the sense that this is a reading comprehension. So they will give for example, maybe 5 or 6 lines. You can accommodate 6 lines, maximum 7 lines. So that is the space it will be there. So for writing these this reading comprehension, for example, see this, there will be 5 questions, each carrying 12 marks, and you can write, for example, in the space 7 to 6 lines only. You will not be able to fit in more lines, and you should understand that is what this reading comprehension will be directly from this passage. It will not be, for example, CSAT paper now is very complicated. You would have seen the CSAT paper. It is very, very complicated. The reading comprehension now in 2021 and all, it was very, very complicated. But here in regional language paper, usually at least 4 questions, or most of the time it used to be 5 questions. They would directly take from the passage you would have to just, for example, यहाँ से यहाँ तक लेकर you have to write it down. So it used to be like that. Okay, so I'm just taking a random, see, this is not the answer. I'm taking random things from the paper. What I'm trying to say is that usually it used to be like that. So you have to take from here to here and you will write for question number 3. Like that it was there. But now UPSC, that is what in CSAT they are making it difficult. In UPSC language paper also they are making it difficult. What, in the sense, what they are doing is that the space is 6 and 7. Okay, 6 and 7 lines. You have to write, आपको अपने आप थोड़ा लिखना पड़ेगा. See here it is 60 marks. Okay, direct question, 5 questions. So already 40, so already 2020, now 60. So I will take, for example, so 100 marks. So I will take, for example, 1 hour will be over, right? 1 hour, 1.5 hours. So this, so now nearly 100 marks have gone. So 1.5 hours have gone. So next I will come to this this question on Prezi writing. This is concise in the sense that you have to be. They will give you a paper. So there will be a paper like this. So it will have this paper. There will be a box like this, and you can check like this. So one line will be 5. So you have to have a right Prezi. So it will be a there will be a separate paper like this in the question answer sheet itself. What you have to do is that you have to write a Prezi. एक तिहाई में, एक तिहाई in the sense what is they are saying is that, so if they are, see here, 750 words. So this is the total length of the passage. In that you have to write 1/3. So you will have to accommodate here. So in the paper you will have this. You have to accommodate 1/3 or the words, at least in the sense you should stick to this. Not very low, not very high. So for example, let us assume that it comes to 200. See, this is an assumption which I am making. So not less than 180 or not more than 230. See, stick to this. Stick to this. So if 1/3 Prezi writing, what they mean is by 200 words means, so stick to 180 or 230. Do not go very large or do not go very small. So you have to be in a correct position. For example, see this. So now what happened is 100 marks have opened. So you have finished 100 marks. This is another 60. So this is another 60. So 160 marks over. So 160 marks, and as we have discussed, 2 hours. So this I will take half an hour. So this I will take half an hour. So each section, if you happen to see each section, I am taking half an hour. So here half an hour, then 1 hour, then 1.5, then for example, complete 2 hours. Here, for example, when we are finishing, try to have finish of this. Because the boxes will be given, you cannot mark or you cannot strike it down, because do not strike, you can strike it down, but do not strike, it will not look good. So have something or an understanding of the passage. So complete passage you have to have an understanding. You can write in your own words, that is the best part. And usually my friend used to say, because see, reading comprehension, you have to just take this passage and you have to write it, that's it. Same way in Prezi writing, you condense this same paragraph, you can condense it. Okay, same, you can just remove that, like yeah, say, in the sense that you make it in your own words, but you can use most of the words here. That is what, most of the words you can use from the same passage and you can finish off this. And next I will come to this. Next, I will come to this Nibandh or essay. So this is the last hour. So last 1 hour will be there. Okay, last 1 hour will be there. First time when I wrote, for example, first time when I wrote Hindi compulsory paper, I think in 2012, I think it was 3 pages. They gave 3 pages to write an essay. It was very easy. Time was there. I could finish off it very easily. But now they have changed it to 6 pages. So essay you have to write for example 2000 this 20 or 19. So last time when I wrote it was 2019. It was 6 pages. Okay. So this is the essay which I wrote. Divyangon ka Sashakti So Divyango, differently abled people, and this is the and that is what I said. It is 6 pages. So and you should also know essay like the way, remember this very carefully, my friends. Essay like the way you write essay or the UPSC essay, no. So social, if you are writing, means social, economic, political. Very carefully you have to write. So samudayik, arthik, or prashasan. So political, you have to write all the relevant points. You should not take a chance in this, my friends. You cannot write 6 pages just like that. Just like how you are going to write your essay page. That is what I am saying. Samudayik or prashasanik, or this economic, or you can talk about individual also, individual psycho, or paryavaran, environment. You can talk about environment also, like that. How, see, and schemes, divyango or differently abled people, there will be schemes, different schemes. You have to write that. Don't think that this is just an essay in language paper or compulsory paper. No, you write it as you will write for your examination in essay. So this comes to 260 or 260 marks total. So this is what, this is last 1 hour. Okay, last 1 hour, and then I will come to these what is that these questions on, for example, this grammar questions. So 4 parts will be there: a b c d. See this. So first will be, for example, this is what I will maybe finish the essay. 6 pages will be essay. I'll finish off with the remaining 20 to 25 minutes will be there. So that is how I'll write, because see, I have seen many actually write this paper just because, see, that is what I said. They, people having, let us assume that people having their language as their mother tongue, Hindi means, they would finish it off very easily, and they the point is that they will finish it off easily. But you cannot take chances, do not take chances in this paper. So take whatever time necessary, write very carefully, write very legibly. And this is the last minute I will come. So muhavra, so you will, in school anyone would have taken this. That is you have to write about these things which are there. So ghar barna, tang pasar ka kar sona, घी के दिए jalana. So all these 5 things. So it will be 10 marks. Then in the sense, this is another sentence correction. So next will be the sentence. All will be 10 marks. See here, 10 marks. Fastly you can do. So sentence correction you can do easily. So sentence correction, you just by मैंने खाना खाना है, मुझे खाना खाना है, right? Or in the sense, or this will not come. Okay, मुझे एक पानी का ग्लास चाहिए, और शायद आज वर्षा अवश्य होगी। हाँ, और चेन्नई में तो डेली वर्षा हो रही है। So how to correct these things? When you read that inside the hall, you will understand that how to correct these words. And next will come, for example, synonyms. So paryavachi shabd. So synonyms of very basically they will give. See, doodh, aankh, that is milk, eyes, pakshi is bird. So, but on the day it is very tough. Last minutes it is very tough. So what I, and next is, so this is synonym. Next will be, they will give you 2 words. They will give you 2 words like this. You have to see, that is what, juta, juta. There will be a bura or bura. So see here, there is a small difference between these 2 words. They will ask you to write a sentence so that this two meaning gets clear. And see, again, when you ask me how to prepare this, so for example, how to, then the point is that now 40 or 300 marks over. So I will complete that paper in 3 hours, maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes will be left. So I'll write to the last minute and I'll complete it. So now is the question, how to prepare these answers, or how to prepare for UPSC or CSE, UPSC, CSE Hindi compulsory paper. How much long I should dedicate myself for reading this every day, so for mains. So if you ask me, for example, I'll tell you half an hour. See, every day dedicate some half an hour, minutes per day. This is what I want you to do. I want you to do 30 minutes per day. And what you can read, that is what I said. I will give you the source as well. See, why don't you read, for example, Yojana is in Paryavaran. See here, Yojana is in Hindi, and press in for PIB. So see here, Vastra Mantralay, Vitt Mantralay, Finance Department, Krishi Department, Grih Mantralay, Home Ministry, Awas, so Housing Ministry, or Human Resource Development, everything is there. So what you do, you have to read current affairs. Okay, you have to read current affairs. You have to read Yojana. What I usually suggest is that, why don't you read PIB and this Yojana in Hindi? That is what, 30 minutes a day. So that will be enough. 30 minutes a day. In 30 minutes, How do you distribute means read one article. Okay, read one article. This is what I used to do. Read one article from Yojana or PIB. Then, for example, this will be 15 minutes. This will be 15 minutes. Then I will practice writing 15 minutes. So then I will start practicing 15 minutes only. 15 minutes. That's it. 15 or maximum you want to write. Okay, 20 minutes. What I will usually write. That is the point. See, 15 minutes for reading one article, then another 15 to 20 minutes writing an article. What I usually do is that I take these previous year question paper. For example, from 1979, the question paper for Hindi question bank is available. This I had from 1979. Take this seriously, it is there. Please take this very seriously. Take this 1979 from question paper. There will be a passage each year. There will be a passage each year. Each day 15 minutes, what I will do, 15 minutes I will try to translate this. Every day I will try to. So see, and every day means not literally in UPSC. Every day I study 10 hours. It is not possible. Every day I study 8 hours. It is not possible. What I am trying to say is that I will make it a habit. So in a week, maybe 3 days, maybe I'll try every day, but every day I will not be able to read, or I might have some other work, or so I might read some other GS paper. So what I usually do is I'll have this 15 minutes for this translation. Once I do, it will be easier, you know. So see here. So you are doing 15 minutes this and you see, that is what, in the same time you would be reading some current affairs or something. So you will complete that, then you will write, or else or you can have man ki baat, you know. So this is usually, this is where I took this question. For example, Divyang is a word. Divyang is a word. Divyang is the word given by our Prime Minister. So our Prime Minister in one of the Man Ki Baat had said about Divyang, that is differently, the name of the name of differently abled people, or usually it was disabled people. Now it was turned, or the new term was given as differently abled people, or Divyango. So Divyang, that is the point. Ang means your some body part. So Divya. So that is what the change was happening. So I took it from this Man Ki Baat. You can read for 15 minutes also, right? So you will have current affairs. That is what I am saying. You will have current affairs, and at the same time, next to 15 minutes practice. This is also essential. Practice every day. So I'll show you, for example, this is how I used to practice. See here, these are all words which so not this, but see here, every day I used to have, for example, I used to write and translate. This is the translation I used to do. See, whether it is correct or wrong, I used to do every day. And then the point is that in the point which I read, or the article which I read, so this the I had, for example, some 3 notebooks. I tried to find all the 3, but I am not able to find where it is. After the mains, I did not want to see these books. But anyways, 3 notebooks were there for starting from the first attempt. So every day I used to mark, for example, the words which for which I did not know the meaning, and I would look, for example, Jawab Dehi. So what is that? Pramanikaran. So Sankalan, Prasar. This is how I used to read. And then what I used to do. So for example, when the exam comes, on the day of the exam, that is what I said. So on the day of the exam, I will, or before, this is before one day. Before one day, what I used to do, I will write the words which are necessary for writing an essay. So what and all words are necessary for an essay? What and all words are there in your syllabus? You can take those words. In economics, the words are there. Or see here, Nijikaran, privatization, Bhumandalikaran, so globalization, Adarnikaran. So see, that is what, in the sense, Urja or energy. So Koila is coal, petroleum. See, this is and all the Rajniti or politics, Sambandh. So, in the sense, what I will do is that I will try to write all the words which are necessary for writing an 100-mark essay. Before just sitting, what you will do in in the examination, all, you should not think about whether this word is correct. See, one day before, just write all these words, and this is before examination. So if 9 o'clock is the examination, so till from 8 o'clock or 8:30 to 8:45, I used to do this. So I used to whatever comes, so whatever word comes to my mind, I used to have that written down in the paper, and there is three. That is what. See, this is how you have to prepare. From half an hour prepare, then you start doing all these things. Half an hour is enough. Do not waste too much of time. You should have a point in having how much time you give and how much output we are getting. So half an hour, in that 15 minutes, and you can write this and you practice this every day. And for this questions or this question, that is the muhavara or sentence correction, what you should do is that is what I said, 1979, there is 1979 question bank. See, I used to have, or I used to buy these muhavara books. Then I used to read all those muhavras meaning. But I forgot that from 1979 there are muhavras. Earlier there used to be 10 muhavras. So they used to ask from 10 5. Now only they have made all the 5 compulsory. But think about it, 10. So 10 20-year question means 200 300 questions. Okay, so 20 to 25 30 years question paper is there. So 300 questions or 300 muhavras are there. You know, usually what will happen, the earlier muhavras only they will give. And that is how, for example, you can write this muhavra. In this, at least 3 will come from the earlier, and 1 2 you can manage. Same way this. Same way these, you can think about, they will ask, for example, synonyms of different answers or synonyms of different words. It is very difficult. No, same words. Okay, 1979, the question bank. Take that question bank. Try to write this or try to get the word meanings. Same word, same thing will happen here. So I used to find this difficult. I used to find this difficult because one word you will know. See, one word, guru, in this one word you will know. Juta, one is the lying, that is bura or bad. One word you will know. That is the point. One word you will know. So what I usually do is that at least I write that sentence. With the word I know, I will write that sentence. So, but the question is asking, you have to write it in a manner so that the meaning between the two words is very well established. But I will not find, for example, sometimes it will be difficult. So I'll write at least the word, So you should examination sincerely, but do not be afraid or scared. Every day 30 minutes, 15 minutes for reading one article. So in Yojana, one article you can read, then 15 minutes practice this, then you will be able to clear this exam. So, and this is so thank you everyone for watching this video. So there is a link for Minds of Aspirant group in the description, so you can check out that group. In that group I put every day current affairs related material. Many had asked me, for example, 2022 current affairs or 2022 preliminary examination, what to do. In that group every day I update about prelims examination only, or mains what to do. In that group I update about mains examination only. So you can subscribe to that group, which is in Telegram. Subscribe or like this video, or please do share this video, and thank you all.